7th standard science 3rd term unit 6 visual communication உள்ள book back answer பார்க்கலாம். Choose the correct answer. The keyboard, first question, the keyboard shortcut is used to copy the selected text. Control plus C. Second question, the keyboard shortcut is used to cut the select text. Control plus X. Third question, how many type of page orientation are there in LibreOffice Writer? Answer on the 2. Fourth question, if the ruler is not displayed in the screen, dash option is clicked. View ruler. Fifth question, the menu is used to save the document. File to save. Second, answer the following question. What is the use of text document software? Answer on the page number 94 la irukku. Page number 94 la managing document கீழ last and line there are several அது ஆரம்பிச்சு word வரையும். First question கான answer. Second question, what is the selecting text? Answer on the selecting is the process of highlighting text or picking in an object. For example, a user may select text to copy, cut or move that text to an alternate location or select a file they want to view. Third question, how to close a document? Answer on the page number 95 la irukku. Page number 95 la close the document heading கீழ close ஆரம்பிச்சு toolbar வரையும். Third question கான answer. Fourth question, what is the right alignment? Answer வந்து page number 100 ல இருக்கு. Page number 100 ல first para we can align அப்படி ஆரம்பிச்சு right alignment வரையும் அடுத்த லைன்ல. Fifth question, how to open an existing document? Answer வந்து page number 95 ல இருக்கு. Page number 95 ல save a new existing document அந்த heading கீழ 3 பாயிண்ட் இருக்கு. click first point, second point, third point. clickல ஆரம்பிச்சு keyboard வரையும். Then fifth question கான answer. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.